Let the show begin.
Why do you not fight Rose? Eat Rose!
You're going down. Dorky's not even putting up a fight.
Prepare for Rose Wonderland and Bovine Brothers!
How do you like your faces? Fried or scrambled? Time for payback.
Okay, Jib. What then?
Do not try to escape, mutant, as I am too good for you! Oh! You're sneaky.
Excuse me. I'll be right back.
Now where'd he go? Okay, Ed, you win. See? Soap's gone. You're in the trap.
Have mercy on our miserable soul!
Thought you could outsmart us, not you.
Any last words before I pound you?
Release his rage now!
Let's work this out. Jib?
Chip said his work here was done.